How to use our heart to make decisions. Hello and welcome. My name is Gareth Flick, and in today's video, I want to share with you a method or a practice for you to use that can help you make better decisions and choices in life. Because we often come up against these kind of roadblocks or these separate ways. Oh, what do I do? This, that, go here, there, type things, and it can be a bit difficult, especially if we're trying to make a decision with just the intellectual mind and we just can't do it sometimes. I'm sure you can relate to this. So today I want to share a method about using our heart to make decisions. And so pretty much just what we do is first ask the decision up here, then bring it down into our heart and get the answer there. So what the method is first you get nice and relaxed. So you want to do a nice deep inhalation, then squeeze and tense all the muscles in your body, and then a double exhalation. So the tensing is going to relax the body. It's going to ease the mind a lot more. So I'll just demonstrate. So you go, hold, and then squeeze, and then go, then do it again 3 times, and notice how it consciously relaxed. So after you do that, we'll let your breathing return to the normal. And then we want to have our question, a decision we need to make. And we want to close our eyes and bring our awareness between the eyebrows to the spiritual center, the Christ center, the center of concentration. So we want to sit there, raise the awareness, and ask our question. Should I do X, Y, Z, or A or B? Ask it there. And then we just want to bring it down, bring our awareness and energy down to our heart center. And if you struggle to bring your awareness here, go like this. Maybe squeeze your shoulder blades together. And then bring your awareness between your shoulder blades on the back, on the dorsal part of the spine. This is where the heart center is. Or place your hands on your heart. So closed eyes, gaze goes up to the spiritual center. We bring our inquiry there, our question, and then we bring our awareness down past the throat, down into the heart. And we just rest here and ask the question again. Because the mind is conditioned, the heart is pure. This is your wee radio to the divine, your wee radio. So you want to get your answers from your heart. It'll be a much more pure. They always say the heart knows best. It's true, because the mind is made up of so many different impressions and the duality of right and wrong type thing, good and bad. And the heart will just give you the pure answer. And so it's always good, especially with big decisions, big choices, to, you can use the mind to work out a few different things, but come down to the heart, get the answer, and then come back to the mind. And then maybe you can see different pathways you can take to achieve the answer that the heart has given you and work out a solution. But definitely the heart's intelligence is so much more than the mind, and it expands so wide. So again, if you have a question or a predicament you're in, see it, bring it to your mind, center of concentration, center of will, Christ center, and then bring it down into the heart. And just rest here. So nice and calming down in the heart. Ask your question, feel it, feel the answer, feel the truth. And then let it go and go on with completing or following through. Or if you have another thing you want taken care of, again, visualize it, Bring it down into the heart and let it go. Let the divine take care of it for you. Please take care of this for me. Help me. Help me, God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't do this on my own. I can think a gazillion different thoughts, but you know best. So I hope that was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you enjoyed this, if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. May peace and infinite love be on your soul. I love you. Bye.